Hey guys, it's John from John's DIY Playground. I'm looking up at the back of my RV at this vent cover. It's actually made by Ventline. It's stamped in the cover near the next to the knob what kind of type it is. It's a little bit critical because what I did is I made a custom little tool here out of 3D printer. And if you can't quite reach it on yours, especially in fifth wheels, this tool makes it really easy to raise and lower your vent lid. And also it can be used to trigger the on-off switch if you don't have a switch down at the bottom of your bathroom or wherever this is located. So it makes it handy for that too, and it's really easy to put together. I'll show you the kit and how to build it. Let's get started. This is the kit I'll be selling. It costs $15 US, and it consists of these two 3D printed parts. This is the business end that attaches to the knob you saw in the earlier part of this video. This is the handle that goes at the bottom of the dowel rod. And I'm also going to include two screws. They're actually sheet metal screws, number 6 by 1/2 inch. What you'll need to provide is a dowel rod that you can get at a local hardware store. Just get the 1/2 inch diameter dowel rod and whatever length you want. You can even cut it down to size, but it's typical to see 4 foot or 48 inch size in the US. The other thing you'll need to provide for this project is a drill and a 3/32 diameter drill bit and a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver to get these screws in. And we will drill pilot holes and put the screws in, and that's basically it. So I'll show you that next. Okay, so first take the upper part and put the dowel rod through. It's going to fit snug, and you really don't want it to go past the top part of the 3D print where that collar ends, because otherwise it'll interfere with the actual knob that we're trying to screw in. Next, find the hole where the set screw goes in there, and then get your 3/32 drill bit and drill a small pilot hole. Okay, after that, find your screw that comes with the kit. It's the number 6 by 1/2 inch, and you can hand start it. I'll have to do that off the screen, unfortunately, just because of how I have this set up. And then with a Phillips screwdriver, you can slowly get the set screw in, and try to get this in the shot. It's almost in. I just have to make sure I put it in without overdoing it. You don't want to over tighten it because you may break the plastic. Overall it's pretty strong plastic, but better to be safe than sorry. So when it's done, you can see there what the screw looks like. And we're going to do the back side the same way, the handle side. You can put it with the collar up or the collar down, doesn't really matter, whichever way you want to do it. In this one, it doesn't matter if you want to push the rod through a little bit further for whatever reason. You don't really need to. For me, I just think I like it being flush on the back. It's just my engineering mind. And the same thing, you take your drill bit, 3/32, little pilot hole, and then the number 6 by 1/2 inch Phillips, and of course it's not cooperating with me. I'm gonna fast forward this. Okay, we're back. Put that screw in, and that's it. So working and ready to go. Contact me at johnsdiyplayground@gmail.com if you would like to purchase this kit, and we can work out the shipping options, whatever you prefer. We can keep it very inexpensive since we're not doing the dowel rod. The package will be very small. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to also hit subscribe to be notified when new videos are released of mine. This is John from John's DIY Playground. Have a great day.